friends, welcome back to my channel Pachnanda Creations. Thanks to all of you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Today we will be making this Pista Shell painting. Material used is also mentioned in the description below. So let's get started. First of all, we will paint the base with magenta color. You can take any color of your choice. We will draw a random tree structure. Let's take the painted pista shell and make bird's eye with the help of black marker. Similarly, I have made couple of them with different colors. Let's arrange them and stick them on the tree branches. With the black sketch pen, let's make beak of the birds. Now we will take the stencil brush and create tree leaves. So this beautiful pista shell painting is now ready. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such craft videos. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Bye bye.